Guys, it's your boy Ricky Ross back with another video. I want to say thank you to everybody out there watching my video. I truly appreciate it. And for those of you out there who don't know who I am, I go by Ricky Ross, Amazon Germany seller. Been doing this for quite some time, and I do mentor a few people. If you're interested, my email will be in the description down below. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to share your screen on Google Meet. A lot of people use Google Meet. I use it, and I noticed that a lot of people just don't know how to share their screens on Google Meet. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how to difference between sharing your entire screen, sharing a tab, and sharing a window. So please come along with me. Let's get into my computer, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, guys, in order to join a Google Meet meeting, you need to have the link, and here's what it normally looks like. Simply click on it, and it should bring you to the Google Meet app. So I'm going to use a different account to connect. So the first thing you need to do, if somebody invited you, you would simply see a join me, and you just simply click on it, or you simply have to wait for them to connect you, and then you connect. It connects you to the meeting. So I'm just going to join. Good. So this is what a Google Meet window looks like. Your video, of course, is popping up here like mine is. Down below here is the microphone settings. This is where you click this arrow to select your microphone and to select your speaker where you want to hear your sound. So once you click here, you'll see which speaker you want. And if you click here, you'll see where you want your sound to come out from. Then here is basically where you select your camera. So if you don't want your camera to show, you simply click on the big circle with the camera, and you can see the camera goes off. And if you want the camera back on, you click on it and the camera comes back on. This CC is just for captions. You don't need to worry about that. And this is for reactions. You can, thumbs up, or you can clap your hands, or you can just get different reactions during the meeting. Okay. Now this is where the present now button is. So now if you click on present now, you'll see that the window pops up, and this window shows 3 different tabs. The first tab is the Chrome tab, and the second tab is the window tab, and the third one is the entire screen. Now the Chrome tab is simply different tab. If you notice, I have a whole bunch of tabs open here, a lot of tabs. You can see them all here. It's a lot of tabs open. So I can pretty much just pick one, and let's see if I pick this one and share. I can share it, and if you notice here, the share tab audio is on, and this is where you can only in the Chrome tab is where you can only share your audio. This is the only place you can share audio if you want to share audio. So I could click on this and then share, and that shows that I'm sharing this particular tab. So they can only see this tab. Whoever is on the other end can only see my tab. If I want to stop sharing, I just click stop sharing here. So let's go back to present now. So that's how you present a tab. Okay. Now tab simply means they only see that tab. They don't see nothing else but that tab. Okay. Now let's go to window. What is a window? A window is basically a set of tabs together. Okay. So here I have this window, and I do have another window called Wondershare. Now this is the software I'm using. So it can show apps that you have open. So for example, if I were to, let's say, go here, and let's say I open the sniping tool. Okay. Let's bring this here. This is my sniping tool. So I've opened it, and you can see it's also a window. So the sniping tool is also open as a window. Where did it go? Where are you? Sniping tool. Where are you? Here. Okay, so the sniping tool is here. So if I want to share just that window, I can click on it and share it, or I can click on this window. You must click on the window you want to share. Click on it, and then the share button comes up. If you don't click on it, the share will not show up. Okay, so if I wanted to, for example, click on my sniping tool, I only wanted to share that window. I click on share. It shows simply this window of the sniping tool showing. Okay, I'm going to stop sharing again. Stop sharing. And I'm going to bring the present now. So we've gone from Chrome tabs to Windows, and now we go to entire screen. So now, because I have two monitors or two screens, it's showing two different screens here. I can select to share this screen one, but I must click on it, or I can decide to share screen two, which I've clicked on and it highlights, and I can just share any screen I want. Now, entire screen means that they're going to see everything in that tab. So let's say if I click everything in that window, sorry. So if everything in that screen, sorry, not just the window, in that screen, everything in that screen. So if I click on screen 2 and I share, you can see it's showing all the tabs, and it looks like it's an infinity. But in order for me to show the other person a particular window, I need to click on a tab, and then it shows that I'm sharing this this tab on inside a window on screen 1. I know it gets really complicated, but yeah, this is basically how you would share your tab, your window, and your screen, which is also your monitor. So if I wanted to show them another tab, I just simply click on the tab which I want to show. Say, for example, I want to show this. I just click on it, and now I'm showing them just this particular tab inside a window. So that's how you share your screen, and that's how you share a tab. I hope that was helpful. Let me stop presenting, and it brings you back here. So that's basically how you share. And don't forget, if you want to share audio, you can only share audio from within a Chrome tab. So let's say if I wanted to share an audio from this YouTube videos, I'd have to click on the YouTube tab, share it, and you see here it says also share tab audio. If this was unchecked, it would not allow them to hear it. But if it's checked, it means if I start sharing this YouTube window, and once the music starts playing, they will hear the sounds from the audio. Okay, guys? So that's pretty much how to share your screen. Thank you so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. If you liked it and you think it's helpful, please share it to somebody out there who needs it. And if I missed anything, please put your comment in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe. It helps the channel grow. Please go ahead and like it, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I release a video, you'll be the first to get it. All right, I go by Ricky Ross, Amazon seller, and I'm out.